Cumin is one of the oldest cultivated spices and is now the second most popular spice in the world after black pepper. Today it is used in vast variety foods from around the world, as an ingredient in chili powder for Texan and Mexican-style foods, in various curries from the Asia, the Middle East and North Africa, in Chinese cooking, in South American cooking and even in Dutch chesses. It is a spice that has been adopted into cooking around the world, and chefs like Jamie Oliver, Annabelle Langbain and Gordon Ramsay will use it extensively in their acclaimed recipes. It takes the bland to beaut, that is, it can transform otherwise bland food into great tasting food. Annabelle has cumin as her first spice in her recommended pantry. Cumin is the dried seed of the herb Cuminum ciminum, which is a member of the parsley family. A single seed is found within the herb's fruit and is a small oblong-shaped seed that is yellow-brown in color. For cooking it can be used either as a whole herb, spice, or is often ground into a powder so it can be mixed in with other spices. Cumin was a popular spice and medicinal plant in Old Egypt, and today cumin is still very popular in Indian cuisine and Indian herbal medicine. The Romans imported spices from Egypt and cumin was used in the same way we now use black pepper. Cumin used to symbolize greed, which is why the Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius, was nicknamed Cuminus. A 4th century BC herbal medicine text has been found that lists cumin as a treatment for obesity and urinary and liver problems. The spice is available in both the Old and New Testament, mentioned, "Woe to you, for ye pay tithe of mint and anise and cumin." Country lasses used to make their lovers swallow cumin to ensure their fidelity, or the soldiers' friends put cumin in their wine and bread to ensure they would become fathers and therefore embed their commitment. Furthermore, cumin seed was carried by the bride and groom at their wedding, as it was once believed that a happy life awaited those whom carried the cumin seed, probably for the same reasons. Today people are understanding the health benefits of herbs and spices and are starting to look for alternative ways to incorporate these valuable ingredients back into their lives. Like many herbs, cumin has medical benefits and is a herb which is used for diseases of the digestive tract and for treating coughs and chest colds. Scientific evidence suggests cumin may aid digestion by stimulating enzymes to break down the food you eat. It has also been used as a painkiller, particularly to relieve toothache and acute stomach pains. Some herbalists also recommend cumin to relieve carpal tunnel syndrome. Ayurveda is the oldest and most holistic medical system in the world and has promoted the use of herbs for their health benefits for over 5,000 years as a preventative, with the belief that you should keep your body in perfect equilibrium with nature. In Ayurvedic medicine, a popular cure for hangovers is 1 teaspoon of lime juice and a pinch of cumin in a glass of orange juice. Ayurvedic doctors recommend drinking coriander, cumin and fennel tea to clear acne. Combine the herbs equally for a total of 1 teaspoon and steep them for 10 minutes in hot water. Strain the tea and drink 3 cups a day after meals. Even if it doesn't clear up your acne, it will certainly help your digestion. This little herb has a big history and a bigger future. It can make your tastes improve from bland to beaut with very little effort. Stuart enjoys cooking and good health, plus a glass or 2 of wine. I write articles as a way to share what I have learnt and try to make it easy to read rather than filling up articles and websites with terminology that very few would understand. I hope that you will enjoy what you read, and more importantly that you take some action to improve your health and well-being.